Hello, I'm Witch Nikki, and earlier I posted a video about Rowena Ravenwing. I would like to make a correction here and now. Hold on, let me take a sip of my coffee. I have my camera, my phone, propped up in my sewing basket. And scissors, other thread, needles, and such stuff. Let me pause for a moment. Rowena Ravenwing is her dead name. She came to me as Rowena Ravenwing, and the other day I was introducing her on a video to some friends of mine, and that's the name that came to me because that's how she was presented to me. Sometimes in our lives, our names that were given to us at a certain time when we came into our bodies doesn't quite resonate with us any longer. After the years go by, we feel, we know, we believe we're somebody else, a different name, and we don't identify with the name that was given to us. And I'm really sorry that I forgot. It's okay. I understand. It's been a long time since we've worked together. Well, I was given her by a friend, a person who is no longer in my life for a very personal, kind of long reason. But she's starting to have some issues with her staying together. And I don't mean mentally, I mean physically. She's having some issues. And I want to work on her today. But I really can't work on her while I'm doing this because this is a very serious operation. She'll come out of it very, very well. If I am successful, she will be able to, I'll be able to put my fingers in here into her arms to help her to move. See how her head is kind of wobbly? Well, she has a small piece of cardboard up there to be her neck. It's okay. We agreed it's okay for me to discuss her surgery and what is needed. She wouldn't have come on if we didn't talk about it first. And so I wanted to kind of do a couple of repairs here and there. I've never really examined her thoroughly because I knew that she was handmade by the person who gave her to me, and for a long time we didn't really work together. She stayed in my room, and she was on oh, you can't see it, but I have like a walking stick, and I have a walking stick that has a V on it, so I put her on here on the stick. And my granddaughter kept noticing that she was moving on her own. I mean, she didn't see her moving, but she'd walk into the room and she'd be facing a different direction after nobody had been in the room. Then she'd come and get me, and I'd come back, and she'd be back into the same position she was before. So it looked like something strange was going on. And I think what it was is that she was drawing back my energy so we could work together. If I put this to that this video is made for children, then I won't be able to get comments. So I'm putting it that it's not made for children. But definitely, if you sit with your child, I'm not speaking about anything so adult that children can't see and understand it too. So first of all, let's get it clear. Her name that we agreed on. I at one time pictured her. I showed a picture to my friends, and some of them came back with some names, different names, and then she and we discussed which one she likes best, and this is what she likes best. So I'm going to be using this name going forward. Tabitha, Evelina, Ravenmore. Okay. Thank you. I really appreciate it because it's a very good name. I like it. It's very lovely. And I thank your friends for helping you and me to pick it out. So, I'm going to pause and I'm going to start this procedure. First, I need to find out what I need to do. So, what I do with any doll or stuffed animal is that I put them into like a little trance that they can't feel or know what's going on, and then when they come out of it, they'll be fixed. Because needles are scary, aren't they? And so sometimes even people like me, I had a procedure done to my inside here, inside my neck. There was something bad in there. It grows with some people, and it doesn't grow with everybody, but it does grow with some people. And so they had to remove that inside there. But I can still talk. And I can still tell stories and be creative. So sometimes if we're going through something like that, that's kind of scary, it's good to talk about it. And the best person to talk about it with is the person who's going to do it. So what I might be telling you is that if I was I'm telling her, because I haven't put her under the little sleep, that her neck is kind of wobbly. I put, I'm just going to put her down for a minute, but I put a toilet paper roll in here. I don't know why it's stuck. Oh, this is the original one, I think. Oh, no. I thought I had. Oh, what happened to it? Okay, this is the original one, I believe, where I stuck it up inside there, and now, oh yeah, here we go. This is toilet roll I've added in there to try to add some strength to it. So as you can see in here, don't be afraid, it's okay. She's got stuffing that's also coming out, and then it's kind of wobbly when I put her on my hand like this, because she's a puppet, and I put my fingers up in there, and then I gotta adjust her little hat. That kind of needs some work on it too, because I don't want her hair to come undone. She has real hair. I mean, it doesn't grow, but the person who made her with real hair, and I don't want that to start coming out. She sewed it in there very well though. But see, right now my fingers, my 3 fingers, are up in her neck area, and then all the way up into her little head. So sometimes when I'm talking, her head might flop forward, and I just want to give some strength to areas, because there's nothing but this cloth here that's her dress, and she has this cute little satchel on. It's like a little amulet, and my fingers are, my thumb is right here and my pinky's over here, so it looks like she's like but she's so cute. So I wanted to do some work on her, and so I'll pause and then I'll come back to it, because we've already been like 12 minutes here and counting. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pause. I'm going to look more at the areas, because I can't really do that here very comfortably. I need to figure out, see, right here, her head comes apart from the little cardboard. It's sort of like this, but it's shorter. It's only about this long. So if I was to be able to, oops, put this in to make her head and her neck sturdier, and stuff her stuffing up to her head a little bit more, and then somehow make it a little bit more comfortable for my hand when it's in there. Also, let's see, if I take down her hood, her little hat, I'm seeing the back of her neck. She has a little hole in the back of her neck, so I might want to use something. I'm thinking about using this. It's not really a sock, but maybe I could use this and just kind of sew it so that it kind of covers this. I'm not really a seamstress, so I'm just kind of like using my mind, my imagination, to come up with ideas. That's why I wanted to kind of do this video, to see if there's anybody who knows if I'm going to be making a big mistake, or if it's going to work, or if something else could work a little bit better. So you see the top, tuck the rest of that in, and then use this and stitch up her neck on over this somehow, and then put this up into it. However, that's a little bit better. Only 2 of my fingers can fit in here. So you see, I think that that would give her a little bit more strength in her neck. plus what's already there, which is only about this big. And this will give it a little bit more. I know that I've worked with stuffed animals and dolls and crafts a lot in my life. So I feel very confident that even though I might not be a seamstress, I do understand what I need to do. And I feel very confident to get this done for Tabitha, Evelina, Ravenmore. So, see you soon. Well, I haven't gotten started yet because I'm still kind of thinking over it. And I need to prepare my working area so that I'm comfortable and she's comfortable and that all of my stuff is to the ready. So I need to go through my sewing box and look for the things that I'll be needing to use for this event. This little repairing of Tabitha. So I'm going to make a part 2 to this, okay? Because I don't want to leave this sitting, and I just needed to come on here and do this video. And it's already to over 16 minutes, and I want to post this, and then I'll be coming back after I've completed it. I might make some videos some other time, but today I'm going to be working on Tabitha, Evelina, Ravenmore. So always remember that no matter what a person's name was given to them when they came into this world, into their bodies, they might have another special, wonderful name. And we need to respect that when they do change their name. And so that's why I wanted to explain this part. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.